Students, let's continue chapter 3 whole numbers. Today's topic is division in whole numbers. So, we know division is the inverse operation of multiplication. As we know, division is the inverse operation of multiplication. Suppose, let's divide 75 by 9. Let's divide 75 by 9. So when we divide 75 by 9, we write in this way: 75 divided by 9. Now 9 8s are 72. 5 minus 2, it is 3. We know how to divide. So in this, we know 75 is dividend. We know 75 is dividend. And what is divisor? Divisor is 9. And quotient is 8. Quotient is 8. Quotient is equal to 8 and remainder is 3. Here it is, remainder is 3. Now we can see that 75 is equal to 9 8s are 72. 9 8s are 72 plus 3. How can we write 75? 9 8s are 72 plus 3. So we can say that dividend is equal to divisor multiply by quotient plus remainder. So it means we can write dividend is equal to divisor multiplied by quotient plus remainder. So this is known as division algorithm. What this known as? This is known as division algorithm. This is known as division algorithm. This is known as division algorithm. Now look at the properties of division. Now there are most important 3 properties. What is that? If A and B are any non-zero number, A and B is any non-zero number, non-zero whole number. Say A is 5 and B is 2. We suppose A is 5, B is 2. Then A divided by B is not always a whole number. So it is not a compulsion that when we divide any two whole number, the answer is always whole number. No. If we divide 5 by 2, the answer will not be whole number because 5 by 5 is not divisible by 2. So we can't say this is whole number. But if we take A6, B3 and we divide 6 by 3, we get whole number. So when we divide any two whole number, the result is not always a whole number. Look at the second property, A divided by 0. Now A is any whole number. When we divide any non-zero whole number by 0, it is meaningless. How? If we want to divide 5 by 0, can we divide? No. We cannot divide 5 by 0. So it is meaningless, or you can say undefined. Now if we divide 0 by any whole number, suppose we divide 0 by any whole number, then the result is 0. Suppose we want to divide 0 by 5. So 5 zeros are 0. Now if our dividend is 0 and divisor is whole number, then it is 0. But if our dividend is whole number but divisor is 0, at that time it is meaningless. Now look at this question. Divide and find the quotient and remainder, and at that check your answer. So now first what we will do, we will divide, then find the quotient, remainder. First we will do this much part only, divide. Now divide. Four 178 by 35. Divide 4178 by 35. So 35 ones are 35. Here it comes 6. 11 minus 5, 6 comes 7. So 35 twos are 70. Again 35 ones are 35. Now 35 ones are 35. So here comes 2. 32 is the remainder. This 8 comes down. Now check, we'll check. If we suppose 35 8s are, so 3 8s are, if you multiply by 3 8s are 24. So it must be smaller than 328. Now check it at 35 9s are. So 35, it is 45 4 carry, 27 plus 4, 31. So here comes 315 and here it comes 9. So 31. Now 13 is the remainder. Now we have dividend. What dividend we have? Dividend is 4178. Divisor 35. Quotient 119 and remainder is 30. Now next part is, first half sum is finished. What was that? Find the quotient and remainder. We have just taken out quotient and remainder. Now rest of the part is check your answer. So how can we check answer? By applying this division algorithm. We can check our answer by applying division algorithm. So what is division algorithm? Dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. So here dividend is 4178. Divisor is 35 into 190 plus 13. So what we will do, first we will solve only this part because this dividend is 4178. We will solve the right hand side part. Right hand side part we have two operations. One is multiplication and one is plus. So according to BORDMAS, first priority is of multiply. So multiply 119 by 35. So here it comes 45, 4 carry 9. Here it comes 595. It is 27. 2 carry 3 1, it is 5 and 3 ones are 3. So here it comes 5. 16 1 is 4165. So when we multiply we get 4165 plus 13. Now add 13. So it comes 8741. 4178. So this is, you can see left hand side is equal to right hand side. So which means our answer is correct. We can check our answer by applying the division algorithm. And division algorithm is dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. Rest of the division is as it is, as you have done in your junior classes. So now look at the next question. Simplify. 1507 minus, then bracket starts 625 divided by 25. Again we have two operations, even we have three you can say. One is minus, then bracket, then division. So what our BORDMAS rule says? That first priority is of bracket. So first solve the bracket. In bracket we have a sign division. 625 divided by 25. 625 divided by 25. So 25 2s are 50. 25 5s are 125. So when we solve this remains as it is. When we solve this, we get 25. Now what is left? 1507 minus 25. Now subtract it. So here we get 2. 10 minus 2, it is 8, 4, 1. So the final answer is 1482. I hope it is clear to you.